Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you an easy way to do some marble. I'm starting with a white layer of gel polish and then 30 seconds to LED lamp. Another coat. And then I'm mixing some colors that I like. Some blue, a dark blue. I think this is a little bit purple, more purple than blue, and some black with shimmers, shiny, glittery. Now I'm mixing with a dotting tool all the colors together. I'm applying a layer of blossom polish gel. And then with a flat brush, I'm taking some of the colors, of the mixed colors. And now I'm just trying to lay the colors without mixing them too much, because they are becoming one color and the marble effect will be gone, and we really don't want this. No. And I'm almost done. Sure, you can have a bigger brush and finish faster than me, but this is what I had. Now you can take a thin brush and just fix where the color didn't spread well, but I'm just using the same brush. Yeah, I was too lazy to take another one. I bet you can't understand me. And that's it. I'm applying the one layer of top coat, and then again in the LED lamp. That's it. For this design, I am doing the same steps. I'm making the same steps. A white base. I'm applying. I think I had 2 layers of white, but I'm not sure. Then I am choosing the colors. This is a dark pink. Yeah, I know it's not showing the real colors, but anyway, this is some really dark red. I think so. Some white to make it to make the other's color pop, and some my bad, and some red glittery polish. I think that black would be good as well, but anyway, I'm mixing them with the dotting tool again. Not too much. Okay, that's enough. A layer of blossom polish. I think it makes the color more nicer when I'm using the blossom gel. I think you can make this design without it, but I really like how it turns out when I'm using it. Now I'm spreading all the colors. Yeah, I really don't like how it turns out. Oh, here it is, the marble. Yeah, I like it. And this one, no. I think one of the polishes wasn't that good. I think it was very fluid and it didn't mix very well. I'm trying to fix it with the dotting tool, but it's not working. I mean, not like I want to. So I'll mix again just some white polish and some pink. Yeah, right now I am, but I'm not showing you. Anyway, now I am mixing them and I'm trying to fix the design. Yeah, I think now it's too much white, but anyway, it turns out pretty nice. So, and again with the dotting tool, I'm applying top coat, LED lamp, and that's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Bye bye.